You might think you know China, but this luxury hotel on the Lee River, it felt like stepping into a dream. The more I travel through China, the more I find myself in complete wonder and amazement at what this country has to offer, and so many people aren't talking about it. This place left us completely speechless. With a beautiful mix of historic architecture and modern luxury, here's a look inside of one of China's most unforgettable hotels. Tucked into the mountains of Yangshuo, this hotel feels like a true hidden gem. I've never visited anywhere quite like it. It used to be a working sugar mill built back in 1969, and today it's been transformed into a breathtaking luxury resort. The architecture still holds its original structure, but every corner has been reimagined with design and detail in mind. It's modern and artistic and unlike anything else I've seen in China. My friend Katie actually found this hotel on Instagram back in 2017, the year it opened, and we've been dreaming about visiting ever since. Within minutes of stepping onto the property, we met Michael, the director of operations.
It's a bar.
That's so cool.
This to be the workshop of the factory.
Oh, wow.
Come on in.
Okay, thank you.
Just come today?
Yeah, we came today.
All right.
He was so kind and welcoming and offered to give us a private tour right then and there. He first took us through the hotel's bar, which used to be the original pressing room for the sugar mill. It was built in 1969 and the entire space has been preserved. You can still see the original walls and industrial structure, but now it's been transformed into a sleek cocktail bar.
So we hang up all the sugar canes across this pool, then we deliver it here. So with some machines to squeeze the juice.
Oh.
So here is actually this is the pool to a pool container.
Wow.
So now we squeeze all the sugar canes, then it goes to here.
Oh my gosh. How cool.
The sugar cane juice. We make rum, we make sugar, make some wines.
How amazing. Should we go out here too?
Then we walked outside to one of the most breathtaking pools I've ever seen. It sits on what used to be the sugarcane loading dock, right on the edge of the Lee River. The original platform is still intact, but now it's been reimagined as a serene and modern pool deck with views that honestly don't even feel real. The ambiance in the air was so calm and peaceful here. It felt like we had been transported into a quiet oasis among the Gumdrop Mountains, and I couldn't be more impressed with the atmosphere. I always love seeking out unique places, and I've had the chance to stay at so many intriguing hotels throughout my travels. Like this bamboo cabin in the jungles of Bali, a rainbow sphere in the forests of China, a plastic bubble in the mountains of Thailand, and a luxury houseboat in one of the largest lakes in America. I'll be sharing these adventures soon, so let me know which one you'd like to see first in the comments below. After our tour with Michael, we made our way to the restaurant to enjoy a beautiful dinner with local cuisine, and then to the pressing room bar to see it come alive at night. We thought this would be the end to our evening, but we didn't realize that the pool deck was about to become so much more beautiful once the sun set. The water and sky outside was lit up with brilliant blues and greens, and it looked just like the northern lights. It reflected on the mountains and Lee River behind us, and the footage barely does it justice. Michael shared with us that this particular space is used for weddings, engagements, and luxury car photo shoots like Porsche and Ferrari. And it's easy to see why. This space is spectacular, and it was such a beautiful sight to see. On our last morning, Katie and I spent our day by the pool and exploring the grounds. It was so peaceful and so still. It felt like every corner had something to discover. Traveling through China never stopped surprising me. the places, the landscapes, but especially the people. Everyone we met here was so warm and welcoming. Thank you to Michael for showing us around. I'm constantly reminded there's still so much to uncover when I travel to places like this, and the more I see, the more I want to explore to see the beauty of the world. This is just one of many hidden gems I found in China and all over the world. If you enjoyed this video, check out one of these next. And be sure to subscribe for the adventure. I'm on a mission to uncover the most incredible places the world has to offer, and this is just the beginning.